Welcome. If you're an auto repair shop owner and you can't find your own shop on a Google search, how do you think your customers are ever going to find it? I've got a solution for you, and let me walk you through it. What you're looking at right now on my screen is what is known as the Google Map Pack. This is where customers come to Google and they're searching for a service in your city. Now, I'm using Auto Repair South Windsor, Connecticut, because I have a relationship with this particular shop. But anyways, this is what happens. You get 3 shops listed and a map. Now, there are options if somebody is buying these keywords and paying ads, they will slip in on top. But I've done videos, and I'll actually link them here below this video, where the 3 shops appearing here, now these are all organic listings. The 3 shops appearing here get about 20 times more clicks and calls than the shops that are running paid ads in the same market. So if we go ahead and look at this more businesses, here's what comes up. And I am looking for one particular business that is Precision here, and I'm just going to do a quick check. There it is. So I want to bring your attention to this and have a look at this shop, and here's the reviews. They have a rating of 4.3, and they do have reviews, but let me tell you this, that there is an issue here on the general repair, auto repair search. But on the same token, when we look for emission testing in the same market, South Windsor, Connecticut, Precision's coming up number 1. Well, the other part of the problem, or the other issue is that they are listed here. We handle the website, and they even come up here in emission testing. Sorry, right here in emission testing, leaders in CT testing, and they're first on the map. So how do you move for a separate search? How do you move your position up to be in that map pack? Well, Google tells you quite simply that it's human interaction with your GBP. I'm not saying your GBP listing has nothing to do with your website, but I'm telling you, your customers aren't finding your website first, they're finding your Google business profile first. So how do you improve your Google business profile listing? Google tells you they're looking for more human interaction. If you look at this from Google's perspective, Google is making a recommendation to their users. And if Google's making a recommendation, the only way that they can, sort of verify that you are a decent business and a decent repair shop is when other people in the market are talking about you. They're coming to interact with your business. They're driving to your business. They're leaving reviews. They're actually talking about you and bringing their car in. So here's the trick. If you're looking for more human interaction, it's about, number 1, the quantity of customer reviews. Number 2, the recency of customer reviews. Because nobody gives up about that 5-star Google review you got 3 years ago. It just doesn't matter. So now let me show you how I can help you fix your shop. Head over here and you're going to go to our Google Reviews calculator. So using this calculation here from 4.3 with 112 reviews, this is the client here. Now, he's not showing up for general auto repair, but he's showing up perfectly for emissions. But we're going to use these here on the calculator. We're going to enter the 4.3, the 112 current reviews, and we're looking for a 4.9, and we're going to calculate what's needed. And we need 673 more reviews. How do you do that? Well, good question. I've got a brand new download, and I'm going to put a picture of it here and a QR code right here where you can download the Ultimate Auto Repair Shop's Guide to Google Reviews. I'm going to show you the simple steps to walk through, and better yet, I'm going to show you how to get more reviews, how to reply to each of those reviews without taking any time out of your day, and how to take those reviews and monetize those reviews so they actually generate more sales. Because I don't care who you are in marketing, or I don't care how much money you have, you can't hire a copywriter to write better advertising copy than 2 or 3 reviews of your customers raving about you. And to thank you for watching this video, I've included a link below this video so that you can download your own copy of the Ultimate Auto Repair Shop Owner's Guide to Google Reviews. And it'll walk you through the simple steps that you need. And actually, there's even 3 things that you need to watch for so that you don't get your Google profile banned by Google. And I'll even show you how to get more reviews, how to reply to those reviews without taking any time out of your day, and how to actually monetize those reviews. And by the way, when I'm talking about getting more reviews, there's a simple thing you have to understand. Quit asking for them, okay? That whole download will show you everything. So go ahead and grab that. I'll catch you on the download page. Take care. Talk real soon.